Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove the background of an image without that image losing its quality. So if you are watching this video and have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I'd like you to hit on that subscribe button. Also like this video and turn up the notification bell so that you get notified each time I drop a new video on my channel. So there is this app I would like you to download. It is available on Play Store. This is the app Photo Room. Yeah, this is the app Photo Room. This is the app I'll be using to remove the background of any image. So I'll just click on this app. Oh, they say you are offline, please check your connection. So this app uses data. So I'll on my data and I retry. Alright, so from here I'll just choose any image and remove the background. Let me just look for any image and I'll try to remove the background. Let me remove the background of this image. Okay, we take some. If you want the transparent color, then choose on the third option. So you're going to choose the transparent color, transparent background. So if you look at the top right hand corner, you see the download tab. Just click on it and from there you save to your gallery. So that's all. We have just removed the background of an image and the quality has still be maintained. So please hit on that subscribe button because I'll be dropping interesting videos of this sort, and also click on that notification bell. Thanks for watching.